Hey everyone, welcome back. If your TD Bank account is locked, it's usually due to multiple failed login attempts or security checks. Wait for a few minutes before trying to log in again, as some locks are temporary. Then, click on the Need Help Login In and use the I Forgot My Password option to reset your login credentials. Now, verify your identity using the available security options. If the app still shows your account as locked, try login through the TD Bank's website. Go to Safari, then search for then in Safari, try logging in from there. After that, contact TD Bank customer support if the log does not clear automatically. After identity verification, your TD Bank account access should be restored, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.